couple of doves on the leaf of a dry plain. I dream not of myself in this dream. Tzipporah, I got a face from the sun. My shadow is of the fire. I am unknown to his lands. In a basket in the girl's hands, like cleansing on your desert dream, or just footprints on the sands. A naive smile from the child, a beautiful call to the table of bread. The rose is dead, so surprised on your colors, on the fall of the temporal vases. You are the one from the 7 roses. As I am watching on every side, flows over the face of the leaves. Her eyes smell black from the blues, and cut the breaths of the dead buds. The fear calms, her hair is combed every night. She of a dawn goes to the well, and the water she pours. I am walking, am the hero of a bitter story. Reading my words, he cries like a kitty, and she heats the insides of him. You preserve it to your heart, so as to cold your hands. You, the unique dove in the evenings for the deserts. I dream of you, always and everlasting. I grant a face to the sun, but my heart is cut down.